Welcome to Horse Racing Pro Predictions. In this introduction video I will give you a quick overview of the website, explain what each main section does and show you how the different tools fit together. The site is designed to help members find and review horse racing selections using data, confidence ratings, results, staking records and strategy information. Most members will probably go straight to the value bets page because that is where the site presents the main betting selections. In other words, this is the area where the bets are effectively handed to you. But it is still useful to understand the rest of the website because the race cards, bet selector, staking plan, results, fast results, backtests and profile sections all play an important role. The main areas of the horse racing pro predictions are available on the navigation menu. The key selections are race cards, where you can view the day's racing, value bets, where the main selections are shown, bet selector, where you can create multiples from the value bets and view the NAP, staking plan, where the selected bets are recorded, results, where you can view historic racing results, fast results, where you can check today's results, backtests, where you can view the performance of the site's 4 default strategies, and profile, where you can manage your account details. In this video, I'll briefly introduce each section. The later help videos will go through them one at a time in more detail. The value bets page is likely to be the first place most members will visit. This is where Horse Racing Pro Predictions shows the main value bet selections for the day. These are the bets the site has identified based on its own selection process. Rather than starting from scratch and analysing every race manually, members can come here to see which runners have already been highlighted. The purpose of this page is to make the process quicker and easier. You can review the selections, look at the confidence information and decide which bets you want to follow. It is important to remember that these are still betting selections, not guarantees. The site is designed to support your decision making, but all betting carries a risk. In the dedicated value bets video, we'll go through this page properly and explain how to read the selections, confidence levels and other information shown on the screen. It's currently 10:45 in the evening on Sunday evening. There is no more races left today. The next race is tomorrow afternoon, hence there are no value bets left. The bet selector page builds on the value bets page. This section is used to produce multiples from the value bet selections, so instead of only looking at single bets, you can use this page to create combined bets from the selections available. The bet selector also shows the NAP. The NAP is the value bet with the highest confidence. In simple terms, it is the strongest rated value bet on the site. This makes the bet selector useful if you want to look beyond individual value bets and see how the selections can be grouped together. In the bet selector help video, we'll look at how the multiples are produced, how to read the NAP, and how this section connects with the staking plan. The staking plan records the bets selected from the value bets and bet selector pages. This means that when bets are chosen through those sections, they are recorded here so you can keep track of them in a structured way. The staking plan helps you monitor what has been selected, what has been staked, and how those bets are performing. This is important because betting is not just about finding selections, it's also about tracking activity and keeping control of stakes. In the staking plan video, we'll show how bets are recorded and how to use this section to review your betting activity. The race cards section lets you view the day's racing. This is useful if you want to look more closely at the races taking place, check runners and review the wider racing schedule. Although many members may go directly to the value bets page, the race cards section is still helpful if you want extra context around a race or runner. For example, you may want to check what other horses are running in the same race, look at the race time or review the race before deciding whether to follow a selection. The race cards help video will explain this section in more detail. The results page is used for historic results. This section lets you look back at previous racing results rather than only focusing on today's racing. The historic results are useful for review, checking past performance and looking back at previous outcomes. The fast results page is different. The fast results is for today's results. This section is designed to give you a quicker way to check what has happened today without needing to search through the wider historic results area. So, a simple rule, use fast results for today's racing results, use results for historic racing results. The dedicated results and fast results video will show the difference between the two pages and when to use each one. The backtest page is used for the site's 4 default strategies. These strategies are Emerald Turf, Hurricane Flat, Royal Chase and Titan Hurdle. The backtest page does not test every possible custom system. Instead, it shows the backtest information for these 4 strategies that the Horse Racing Pro Predictions has produced. This allows members to see how those strategies have performed historically. Backtesting is useful because it gives you a view of past performance. It can show how a strategy has behaved over time, but it does not guarantee future results. In the backtest help video, we'll go through each of the 4 default strategies and explain how to read the information shown on the page. A simple way to use Horse Racing Pro Predictions is to start with the valued bets page. This is where the main selections are shown. From there you can use the bet selector if you want to look at multiples or identify the NAP, which is the highest confidence value bet. Bets selected from the value bets and bet selector page are then recorded on the staking plan. After the racing has taken place, you can use fast results to check today's results or the results page to review historic results. You can then use the race card selection if you want more detail on the day's races, and the backtest page if you want to review the 4 strategies. That completes the introduction to Horse Racing Pro Predictions. In the next video we'll take a closer look at the race card section and explain how to use it when reviewing the day's racing. You can visit the website at horseracingpropredictions.co.uk. Please remember that all selections and betting tools are for information only. They do not guarantee profit, and you should always bet responsibly and only with the money you can afford to lose.